So today I'm 10th day post my halo treatment. You can see my skin from all the angles. Once you decide to get this treatment, make sure you have 10 days with you. It's also called as the halo glow. So you can see that there is a glow on my skin. With this particular laser, all these things like open pores, fine lines, pigmentation issue can be treated very well. And the major point in India, everyone asks how much it costs. So in US, this treatment costs $1,500 US. So it is the same treatment here at 1 lakh rupees, Indian rupees. And coming on to side effects, because these are the important points what everyone wants to know. The only side effect is PIH. It's post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. But if you take care of your skin, even that can be avoided. And you can see my skin and you can gauge the difference by yourself by looking at it. I had a lot of freckles and pigmentation issue on my cheeks. Everything is gone. And with aging, I had a lot of fine lines on my forehead. Even I'm very happy to see that my fine lines are gone. For more information, call on these numbers. Our managers would be happy to assist you. And if you want to know about the prices, please visit our website, our Insta page, and check the results of our patients.